This is a question about electromagnetic induction. So it goes a dynamo, right? We always need to remember a dynamo is basically a generator. It's used to generate electrical current. Figure 1 shows the parts inside the dynamo. Right, so we see that we've got a spinning coil of wire. We also need to be aware that we're going to go and get lines of magnetism in between that north and south that the coil of wire is going to go and cut through. So the coil of wire is rotated to explain. So we're asking something to be explained. We're going to need to go into a reasonable amount of detail how the current is induced in the coil. So the first thing that you can talk about is the fact that the coil is cutting through, so moving through the magnetic field. So that causes a potential difference, or a potential difference is induced in the coil of wire. Right, the key phrase there is induced. So one part of the wire goes and moves through. So because each half revolution, the two ends of the coil swap and they brush against that, right? So every time it turns round, it kind of swaps direction. The direction of the induced current goes and reverses every half turn, right? So you go and you produce an alternating current. Right, so that's just some of the key things that you need to think about when talking about electromagnetic induction.